I'm bringing into your attention, guys, the first in history absolutely decentralized matrix project that is called Forsage. What is decentralized and what does it give you? The marketing plan in Forsage is made on smart contract. Smart contract gives you maximum security and sustainability. Smart contract is an algorithm in blockchain of one of the cryptocurrency, and in this case we have the leader of smart contracts because this project is based on Ethereum smart contract. Smart contract, just like cryptocurrencies, is decentralized. All the agreements and rules of smart contract put in the program and they become unchanged. The code that contains the logic of the smart contract is on the blockchain itself. All further calculations are provided by millions of computers in the world. Therefore, there is no centralized location that can be hacked. So even the creators of this project, they cannot cancel or change the rules. Nobody can take your money or limit your earnings here. Because of that, the members are confidently growing their business. For this reason, your growth is not limited by the risks of an ordinary project. How the marketing of Forsage works. Forsage marketing is a classic matrix, and this is one of the most effective ways to earn money in the system. Matrix consists of slots that don't expire. The cycles repeat by filling the matrix and reinvestments. The logic for filling the matrix with reinvestments is simple. It is based on the referral bonds. Your referred partner always follows you in each slot. On Forsage 3, you have one line with 3 spots. On Forsage X4, you have 2 lines with 4 spots, 2 spots in line 1 and 4 spots in line 2. Upon registration on Forsage, you have 2 programs open to you simultaneously. Each of these slots, X3 and X4, we have 12 slots. They are all identical and work in identical similar way. Each of the slots is twice as expensive as the previous, and therefore the income and profit from them is twice as higher as well. All active slots, they move and bring you income simultaneously. How many slots you can activate immediately? However many you want. You can activate all 12 if you want, or all 24 slots. They don't expire, so you don't need to be afraid that they will get burned. The recommendation is to start with 3 slots in each of the matrices, but leaders, they put from the starts many more slots. Registration, how it works. First slot in each program costs 0.025 Ethereum. You can buy separately, they are bringing together upon registration. So to register in Forsage, you need 0.05 Ethereum. All the rest of the slots you can purchase separately in order from the smallest to the largest. They are going to grow parallelly and independently. Forsage 3 is shorter and is getting filled quicker. And with active partners, they have more profits. In most cases, you have your personal referred members. When you invite partners, they take places below you. You also can have spillover if your partners move ahead. Therefore, it is beneficial to take places in the slots as soon as possible. Filling the matrix and payouts are as follows. Your first partner comes after you and his purchase of the slot, 100% of it goes directly to your personal Ethereum wallet. Second takes place under you and the payment also comes instantly to your Ethereum wallet, 100% of it. When the third person takes the third spot, you get 100% income, but now in the form of reinvestment. Reinvestment opens to you the same slot again and you continue to get income from it. When your partners get to reinvest, the slot is being opened up to them again and they got to the free spot to you. So 100% of the reinvest, you get 100% of it to your wallet. There is a situation where your partner is more active than you. For example, he takes the first spot in your slot, second spot you steal is free, and the partner already filled his slot and he goes to reinvest, so he fills your second spot. So it's possible that one active partner creates a movement of income for you. Now, how the Forsage X4 works. Parallel to X3, you have the X4 program. It's also working for you. It's very lucrative because of the spillover. You can have here different variations of filling the matrix. You can have it filled with all of your personal referrals, or it can be filled by spillover. The income from X4 we get from the second line. Partners that take the spots beneath you are the 2 spots in the second line of your upline. Income from these 2 spots, 100% goes to your upline. You also get an income from the second line, 100% from 4 people. 3 payments of 100% go directly to your wallet. The last payment closes the slot and it produces reinvestments and buy you the same slot again. Your partners also reinvest and 100% of that income for the slot goes to your wallet. Because of the system of reinvestments, opening the slot once, you continue earning constantly like your partner passive income and will continue to make profits from it. Reinvestments goes automatically. As soon as the last spot is filled, the current slots closes and goes to archive. Partner, after the reinvestment, takes again the spot that is free in the slot of the upline. A new slot is being opened with free spots, and 100% of the payments of your referrals go to your wallet. This way, the income from the reinvestments from each platform can be unlimited. We have in the program 12 slots in Forsage X3 and Forsage X4, and we're going to make income from all of the slots. So that's why we have upgrades. Upgrade is the opening of more expensive slot. Upgrade happens with any slot 2 to 12. Upgrade is necessary so that your partners will move after you and the turnover from your team will grow. So how to motivate your team? In other matrices, there is a centralized leverage or auto upgrade, so people upgrade automatically. To do that, you need to collect 2 payments and the funds are being stored in a centralized location. But this money in the system that is centralized violates the principles and is not in congruence with 100% of the payment that goes to you. And in Forsage, 100% of the payments go to the partners. Each payment goes directly to the wallet of one of the participants. In Forsage, they tackle the issue of upgrades differently. Income from each slot is enough for reinvestment and also for the purchase of the next level. Upgrades are done by partners and reinvestment is made automatically. For it, you don't have to collect the funds. If the member he doesn't have the next slot open to him after the second reinvestment, all payments will be sent to the upline. To get the payments after reinvestment, you need to do an upgrade. You don't have to wait for the reinvestment to happen, but you can upgrade right away after the first 2 reinvestments, after the first 2 payments, so that you will be in the next level slot before your upline. And partners, spillover, getting ahead. You can get ahead of your upline by getting the slots for which he didn't arrive yet. This way you get to his upline that this slot is available and the income goes to him. If your upline doesn't have the slot, then you're getting ahead of your 2 uplines or more, 3 or 4 or 5 uplines until the smart contract finds someone who has the slot purchased. Referral bond allows you to get everything back to its place. It means that when your upline buys the appropriate slot, the next reinvest, you will again take the place behind him. This way, the personal referral bond is strong and forever. As you can see in the matrix, every action gives you immediate result and you have growth all the time. Turn on the money machine and earn a lot of Ethereum. Let's see how much income you can generate with Forsage. For example, in the first week, you have the first slot cycle. In Forsage X3, you have 0.075 Ethereum and X4, you have 0.1 Ethereum. Second week, you earn 0.3 Ethereum and 0.4 Ethereum on Forsage X4. If you continue opening up each week a new slot, you'll be able to generate as much as 613.35 Ethereum from Forsage X3 and 817 Ethereum from Forsage X4. That's 1,430 Ethereum. Now, if Ethereum is $250, that is over $350,000. You get the idea. Next, you don't need upgrades, right? When you get to this point, all slots are activated and will bring you income for life, passive income for life. It's recommended to start with at least 3 slots in each platform, X3 and X4. Total 0.35 Ethereum. Leaders, you can get many more slots so that you can take more slots earlier. Get 5 or 6 or 7 slots. This way you will have more turnover. You will make more money and the project flows towards and forward without delays. Your income will grow. Nothing really limits you. Your business here is safe, so prepare to have a long-term development of Forsage, of the business, so that your income will continue flowing to you. So this is how powerful the marketing plan for Forsage is.